Hey boys and girls, it's time for math again today. I think last Thursday when you did math, you made the cones. And so that was a lot of fun. I saw some pictures that your mom sent to me of you with the cone you made. A lot of you made them into hats, which is, again, super fun. I'm so glad I got to see that. I miss making things with you and doing things together in class. So, let's get ready for a new math lesson. Today we're doing lesson 103, okay? So let's start with today's date, our number pattern, and our coin cup. So today is April 20th, 2020. Did you guys notice anything really fun in our date today? There's kind of a little bit of a pattern. Well, we have 20, 20, 20, or 20, 20, 20. Isn't that fun? We have a pattern in today's date. So everybody, let's echo after me. Ready? April 20th, 2020. Good, let's say it together now. Ready? April 20th, 2020. Good job. All right, let's look at our number pattern today. It starts with 3, 6, 9. All right, I'm going to give you a minute. This is a tough one. And I'm going to write down my answer in just a minute. And we'll talk about this number pattern today. All right, you keep working. I'm going to write it down as well. Okay. All right, did you get this number pattern? So we started with 3, 6, 9. Then we go to 12, 15, 18. So what are we counting by? Did anybody figure that out? What are we counting by? We are counting by threes. So I'm going to write something down and see if you can notice this, okay? What number comes between 3 and 6? I'm going to write it down and kind of in between it. Okay? So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now what comes between 6 and 9? All right, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's do it again to get to the next number. 9. What number comes? What two numbers? All right, so I have 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, now let's do that again. 12. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's do it one more time. What's after 15? 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? So sometimes if I can't find, if it doesn't just pop in my head right away what the pattern is, I kind of write down what I know. And then I can work from there. Okay? All right, let's get ready for our coin cup, okay? We've been using nickels. Remember the nickel, the new coin we have added? And do you remember how much a nickel is worth? What we count by when we have our nickels? 5 cents. We count by fives. I'm grabbing them really quick, boys and girls. Okay, so today I'm going to shake them in my hand. I have my coin hand instead of my coin cup. And I'm going to lay them out, and I'll flip my camera over, okay? So here we go. Here we go. All right, so these are my coins that I have today. Looks like I have 2 nickels. And how many pennies? 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of those pennies is really shiny, isn't it? Okay, let's count by nickels with our nickels first. We count by fives. So we say 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? 14 cents is what we have in our coin cup. So I'm going to write that down on my board in my box. 14 cents. All right, let me show you. 14 cents. Did you see how I counted those nickels and those pennies? I always start with the biggest coin. Like if I had a dime, I'd start with 10, 20, and then I'd count my pennies. So you want to start with your biggest coin, the coin that's worth the most. Maybe not size the biggest, but the coin that's worth the most. 10 cents is more than 5 cents, is more than 1 cent. Okay? All right, let's get ready for our math meeting book. So you can go ahead and grab your math meeting book. We're going to open to our April calendar. Let's see here. And it's Monday, so we need to catch up. Remember, we always have to fill in from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now today. So if you look in on your April calendar, you should have April 16th, because that was Thursday's lesson. So go ahead and let's fill in our next boxes. Next we have April 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. And that's today, right? Today is April 20th, 2020. All those 20s today. So once you get it filled in, 17, 18, 19, and 20, go ahead and flip to your weather graph, okay? And next we'll do the weather graph. And I want you to look out the window and fill in your next weather day. Is it sunny today? Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is it cloudy? All right, fill that in for Miss Shaw, what you see. And when you get done with that, go all the way back and we're going to do some counting together. Our big counting. So today I want you to go ahead and find on your hundreds chart. I want you to find the number 23. Let's do 23. Miss Shaw's going to find it too. 23. Okay, you got your finger? We're going to count backwards from 23 all the way down to 0. All right, so get your pointing finger, and I want you to follow along and count it with me as we count backwards. Here we go. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. I hope you're counting with me. It's always good to practice counting out loud and pointing at the number that you're saying. It'll help your brain say the number and see the number, okay? So it's really important you're doing that. Instead of just watching Miss Shaw do all the counting, I want you to do it with me. Okay, we're going to start today with our hundreds counting strip. Are you guys doing good on counting with your hundreds? Is that making sense? I'm sure it is, because I know how smart you guys are. So let's start over on our hundreds column strip, and I want you to start at 100. Okay, I'm going to say a number, then you're going to say a number. Then I'm going to say a number, and you're going to say a number, all the way down to 1,000. Okay, so I'll start. 100, 300, 500, 700, 900. Did you say 1,000? Good. Good. Okay, we're going to do that again. And this time we're going to count by fives. And we're going to switch back and forth like we just did. Okay, so get your finger ready at the top of your fives. And I'm going to start and then you say it. And then I say it and then you say it. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'll start. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Great job, guys. Very good. All right, that's what we're going to do for counting today. Nice job. Go ahead and go back one more page and fill in your number line. I saw last week a couple friends had made it to 100. So that's exciting. Keep filling that in for me, and you can let me know when you have it all filled in and what number you are on. So fill in your next number. If you need help, ask Mom or Dad. They can always check it too, since I can't check your book. All right, after you get done with that, you can put that away, and we are going to talk about our coin cup. We started last week a little bit different. Remember I said how many pennies I have in my coin cup now? I have 100 pennies in my coin cup, and it's heavy. Remember last week I was telling you it felt really heavy? All right, so let me get, ooh, do I have my eraser? I do. Yes, I don't have to go find it. I'm going to write something down. Now, if I have 100 pennies in my coin cup, how many more pennies do I need to add to make 103 pennies? Okay, so the number I'm wanting to make is 103. Okay, I'll show you what that number looks like. 103. So how many more pennies do I need to add to my coin cup to make 103 pennies? So I have 100. Here you go. 101, 102, 103. So how many pennies did I add? I added 3 pennies. So I'm going to write that down as a math equation, as a number sentence. So I'm going to say 100 plus 3 equals 103. I'll erase that top number really quickly. Okay, so my number sentence says 100 plus 3 equals 103, right? I added those 3 pennies to make 103. Very fun. Good job, guys. All right, our number of the day today. Are you ready? What is our number of the day? It is 93. All right, what 2 digits do you need to make 93? Think about what number comes first, then what number comes second. I'm going to write it down. Okay. 93, right? What 2 digits? I need a 9 and a 3. Okay, so if I said this was 93 cents, okay? I need 93 cents to buy a new pencil that I want. Okay, how many dimes would I need to pay for that? How many dimes do I need to make 93 cents? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So how many dimes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 dimes, right? All right, how many pennies would I need for my 93 cents? Let's count by pennies. We say 1, 2, 3. So I have 90, 91, 92, 93. I would need 3 pennies. So 9 dimes and 3 pennies make $1.93. Good job. You will see that number today in your worksheet, okay? All right, so next what we're going to do on your lesson for today, there's another video to watch. I found a video that explained it really well, how to share equal parts, okay? So I want you to go ahead. You can stop this video in a minute, go to your next one that shows how to share equal parts. And then you're going to do your math worksheet 4.4 and worksheet 103. All right? All right, work hard, get all that math done, and I will see you again tomorrow for math. All right, bye guys.